this video today, I will give you some very important tips and tricks to crack an interview. And hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Chandra. I hope you all are safe and doing great. So it's after 1 or 2 week, almost 1 week. I didn't post any video regarding the job seeker and anything else. So today I decided I have a very great topic for you all, which will help you a lot about how to search that off-campus drives. Because when I was a fresher, like when I was in my last year of college, I didn't know that how to search that campus drive. In this time, TCS is hiring in bulk. Wipro is hiring in bulk. After all, Infosys also, and so many off-campus drives are there. But I know that you don't know how to get like search and apply for that. So for that topic, I am shooting this video, and it's early morning, approx 6 a.m. So I will shoot this video in the afternoon and will post in the evening. So stay tuned. Yeah, one more thing is that today I created I created a group in the Telegram group for the job seekers, where you will get what are the specific tricks which help you to crack any interviews, and how to search the campus drive. Okay, after just forget about that your campus drive, like which you got from your campus. How to search that drive which you don't know about from your campus. So I will help you. So if you're not even joined in my group, so go in my Instagram, I'll post there, and also I will post that link in my description. So go and join the group, and when we put within a week or within a day, we will start how to start that strategy, what is the best strategy for that. So hope the group will help you, and the person who wants to know how to get the job, and also you just also share that this video and that link as well. Okay, so just go in my next slide and see how to search that video. And now I'm going for brushing and then tea, and after I will issue. See you within a second in this video.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
So I'm here. So in this video today, I will give you some very important tips and tricks to crack an interview, and to experience the interview questions, and how to get the campus drive, off campus drive even. So first of all, do register each and every portal. Okay, हर एक वेबसाइट, हर एक कंपनी का अपना एक वेबसाइट होता है. सो गो थ्रू द वेबसाइट एंड जस्ट रजिस्टर फॉर देयर पोर्टल फॉर द कैरियर ऑप्शन. वहाँ जाके अपने रिज्यूम अपलोड करो. इट विल हेल्प यू whenever they want any person whose eligibility is matched with your profile, so you will get notified very fast. So this is the number one trick which you should follow if you want any good campus drive, if you don't know any company or not. Second thing is that every day, which I really do every day, just go through the YouTube and just search for the 2020-2021 batch campus drive, off campus drive. So YouTube will show some results. In that, what you have to do first, go that video and just see कि वो वीडियो कब अपलोड हुआ है. इफ दैट वीडियो इज अपलोडिंग 1 hour ago, 2 hour ago, even 1 day ago, 2 day ago, so just go through the link, go through the video, and go to the description and just directly apply for that off campus drive. This is one of the bestest trick which I ever do from the last 3 months. Literally, it helps me a lot. It helps me a lot in that way, where I can't get the drives, but now I know that how to fetch the drives, how to know to get the drives which is happening. So just go. If you want to watch overall the video, just go and watch their video. So many channels are there, like B Programmer, Job Insights, Program Insights, Job 2020, Fresher Job. There are so many channels in WhatsApp, in Telegram, in YouTube. So just go through on the link, okay, or just directly apply for the link. Actually, whenever I go through any video in the YouTube now, so it takes that much time if I will see whole video. So what I do, directly go for the description link and just click on that apply link, because after all, if you want to if you want to see that what are the eligibility criteria, and so you can go through for whole video. Otherwise, I don't think so. If you are good enough in education, so you can directly know that. और वीडियोस देखो या नहीं देखो, you can directly achieve your goal. That's it, the link. Third thing is that there are so many websites, there are so many job portal websites where you can directly notification for the jobs. That is monster.com job portal, and so many things are there. So just go through, just search for that job portal websites in the internet. Because of that job portal, you will get to know what are the company's requirement, and if your resume, your skills are matching for their job, so they will notify you with the help of email. So sorry for the background disturbance. So now let's continue this video. So second thing is that just go for the YouTube and search for that 2020 and 2021 off-campus drive, and go through the link and just directly apply for it. Third thing is that just go in the Telegram group, okay, and search for 2020 freshers, 2021 freshers. In the Telegram, there are so many groups which already created, and even now they also decided and the study material about that particular company. You will get particular company groups as well, like Capgemini. One of the person make that video group. Just like me, today I created a group for job seekers where we will post so many like off campus, on campus, walking, each and everything in that group. So it will help you. I know as a fresher you don't know about that, but this is one of the best trick which ever do the people are doing right now. So just join the Telegram group, and my Telegram group link is in video description. So just go and check out and join the group. Third thing is that you know that Telegram group now will help you for your assessment also online. Some things which I cannot describe here because of some rule and regulation for the guidelines of YouTube and some companies as well. So in that group I will let you know what is the what was that trick which I followed, which so many people are follow, which got the job. It will help you. Just do first of all these things. What are the things which you do not do? This is that first of all, whenever you see the eligibility now, if you, just let's take me an example. I'm from BCA, so whenever any drive is coming from BE BTech, so what most of the people do, that they just leave the drive. So don't do this. Just go and apply. If you go through the website and you have registered successfully, so it's okay. Maybe happen you will get the link for assessment, maybe after assessment you will get interview call, maybe happen you will join that company. If you didn't get that assessment link, yeah, if you didn't get if you didn't get that interview round, so maybe you will have a experience for that assessment link which you will get from the online. So just go through each and every, and don't think about that this is MNC, this is fresher and all. Whatever link you received, just go and apply for that. Literally you don't understand how much it is important. If you are thinking I'm just waiting for the TCS, okay, if you're just waiting for the TCS, so you have only one opportunity. If you are just waiting for the Accenture, so you just have one or two opportunities, because most of the MNCs will allow the people, if you are considering for the 6-month gap, if you apply for one, so within 6 months you cannot apply again. So don't think about you just register for only one company which is your dream company which you want. Just do one thing, register each and every company for your reference, for your experience. It will experience you how to get drive, how to learn the things, what are the things which is really important for the drive, because syllabus is too much, app is too much, communication is too much. So there is no limit. So how much you will learn, so from that assessment you will learn. So don't think that if you are not eligible for it, just go and register. If you are not eligible, it will show you, it will notify you that you are not eligible. That's okay, because from the 3 months I really received some mails that we are very regret to inform you that you are not eligible for that. It's okay, I'm okay, because I know that that drive is not for me. But I know that there are some drives literally that not for BCA, but I gave that assessment, online assessment, which really helped me to experience what are the question will they ask. Okay, so these are some basic tricks which you really get to know. If you don't know na, so you will just stuck with a limited area. You don't know there are so many groups in WhatsApp, Facebook and Telegram as well. But use Telegram is most of the official group which I ever know, and I see that in WhatsApp also, but I just want to make them group. So I started from Telegram, because in WhatsApp it is little bit difficult from the number exchanging and all. So in Telegram you can directly add, and you can directly add that group. In this group, me and my some of friends and anyone who has some drive, they will directly share their post, share their drives link in that group. So definitely it will help you as well. So just add in that group. I'll help some people who really want, and this is a really very good experience for you if you're eagerly want to apply for any drive. This is my really suggestion for you. Do all the things, and do not do this thing which I mentioned in my last set, कि just because of your eligibility you are not go through the link. Just go through the link. You know that TCS, Infosys, Wipro, even so many companies are hiring in bulk. So you know that you are eligible or not. Or for the especially all the BCA students, you know the chances are very less. So don't wait for any opportunity. If you get any na, just go and register for that. I faced this problem so many times. So just go and register. Whatever will happen, you will face. Just go at least, and don't think about that. I don't want to be an analyst. I just only want to be a web developer. Any post, at least go up to the HR round, and that's your decision whether you have to join that group or not. This is really very helpful to you. If you will like join each and every group in each and every link, and you are just go through the registration. And TCS is also like hiring for the BC and BSc. Infosys also BC and BSc, and Wipro also. So I will go that link. Just go through the Telegram group. I will post there. So if you have any query na, just let me know. I will help you to shut out from with the help of this YouTube channel. I know that there are so many people who are really getting touch with me or want to know how to get job. And I know you guys, you are frustrated, even me also. But don't get frustrated. Just like experience what is happening, and one day when your day will come now, you will beat each and everything and just got the job. And I hope I soon as well like me. And I know I'm not good that much, but I'm trying. And still every day I try something to enhance my skills, to improve myself. So you should also do this thing. So guys, if you have any query, any suggestion and opinion, please do comment below, because your comment will help to other people as well, that this video is useful or not, or what are they like going through from any situation. So maybe you also people get connect to each other. It will help you as well. In the Telegram group, the main focus of making that group is to just connect you all with me and other one, because it is not possible to connect each and every day in the YouTube with you all. But in the Telegram group you can share what you are thinking, and you can share so many things regarding the job seeker. So I hope you will good with me. We will make a team, and this is our community which we are going to start it from today. And I hope you will all support me, and we will do a very great community, and it will have so many job seekers like you and me. So just do go join that link, share with your friends. See you in my next vlog.